Hello, and my name is Mike Matheson. I am a realtor with Zip Realty in Santa Cruz, California, and I'm here to ask you if you invest in the stock market, and do you feel like you're having to be more and more of a genius every day to just keep up with all the information? If so, you want to listen to my pitch here about some new ideas. Just consider for a minute something else that I think would be a little bit more beneficial for you. And I'm going to make the case for real estate, especially real estate in my neck of the woods, which is Santa Cruz, California, on the beautiful Monterey Bay. I think real estate, I've been a stockbroker and I've been a realtor and I've invested in both areas, and I've really had a way more success in real estate. And so I decided to try and show everybody who might be going down the wrong path that there are alternatives today. And the advantages are, number one, and investing in real estate, you don't have to pay attention to trading talk every day. I remember when I used to have five financial publications in front of me every morning with my coffee, trying to figure out the most important news of the day. Had 4 or 5 television sets on, had my trading desk on my computer, and paying attention to all the fluctuations and all the indices and all of the statistics and information. It was information overload. It really was. With real estate, you don't have to pay attention to all of that stuff or even worry about market fluctuations. And how about this one, folks? Headline risk. Past few days, what inspired me to make this video is that the stock market has been going up or down 3 or 4% a day just on the headlines, and I don't think that's going to stop. In fact, I think it's going to get worse. I think you're going to have many more days during the trading year where your portfolio is going to be severely challenged based on a headline that no one had any ability to predict. And that's because of the situation that the world is in. Not going to get any more stable, you know that. So number two, with real estate, you know you're going to get your money back someday, if not more than if not your money back, probably double your money back or even triple your money back. That's the kind of returns I've had on my real estate investing. Just takes time, but you don't worry about it. And you don't have to pay attention to it every day, like I said. You just know you're going to get your money back someday, but even double or triple, especially if you're going to take some of the tremendous bargains that are around today. Number three, tax write-offs. You don't get any tax write-offs for owning stocks and bonds unless you get a loss. Then you can write off some of the loss. But what good is that? With real estate, there's all kinds of tax write-offs, like the interest that you might have to pay, repairs and maintenance, travel to and from, which really can be a vacation write-off. I mean, this is what real estate investors do for decades. They get some of the investment back from Uncle Sam, and it's safe. Number four, income while you wait. Some of the things I'm going to show you, if I'm fortunate enough to become your realtor, are houses where you can earn as much as 20% back on your money every year. Safe and sound, and you can sleep at night, and positive cash flow, and again, not having to worry about market fluctuations or the headlines or the all the economic statistics that come out every day. You're just in real estate. You're investing in land and homes and things that people absolutely have to have, and that'll never change. That all adds up to safety. Do you really have safety in any of your stock market investments? I don't think so. And even if you're a day trader, you know that you have tremendous risk. The market can drop 1,000 points before you even have the chance to push a button. So does the stock market give you any of the above advantages? No, I don't think so. I was in the market heavily and I didn't find any of these. So seriously consider real estate, and I hope you will consider real estate in my neck of the woods, Santa Cruz, California, on the beautiful Monterey Bay. It's a tiny little piece of the country that is ideal and peaceful and serene. Has none of the weather problems that the rest of the country has. It's just perfect all the time. The people here are fantastic. The schools are top-notch. Some of the best in the nation are here. In fact, my daughters have had the pleasure of going to the #2 school in the nation. And so what would George Washington do? I don't know why that's important. I just asked that question because he's on every one of your dollar bills. Great investment advisor, isn't he? And in real estate, one last thought, it's location, 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 as you've all heard. And here in Santa Cruz, we do have a marvelous location. In the macro side and in the micro side, we find you things that are even better pinpointed for location, because I can get you right near the beach or right near a facility that's growing and improving, an area that's improving all the time. So it's really about location. Santa Cruz and the Monterey Bay, in my opinion, is the best location on the planet. People move here from all over the world because of the weather, the schools, the people, the fun, the beaches. We've got the University of California at Santa Cruz that is always growing and bringing in more students, and students coming back after trying their luck in other parts of the world. They usually come back to their alma mater because it's such a great place to live and grow and have a family. And this area suffered almost no price decline due to the recent price crunch around the country. Almost none. And prices are starting to climb right back up again where they were at the peak of the market. So it's all about location. We've got the best location. You can enjoy it here. You can rent here to people who will treat your property right. Students, believe it or not, make some of the best renters you'll ever have. So it's all about location and safety, and location and safety. So you want to get more information about the wonderful real estate opportunities in Santa Cruz and the Monterey Bay, just give me a call. Again, I'm a realtor with Zip Realty, and my phone number is right here on almost every part of the video here that you're watching. And I won't bore you. I'll send you some of the listings that are my favorites right now for making you money. And when you see one you like, call me, and maybe we can get you out here to see it. Some of you will probably be able to make a decision just based on the pictures and an inspection, which I will insist on. And so we can make you a lot of money safely and without all the stress of stock market investing. So thank you for listening. If you need any more information, please call me at that phone number. I'd be happy to help. Thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye now. Have a great day.